Alexa, what is a boomer?
Getting
I'm on my way to a very important business meeting. Got to be there at 1 o'clock. It is now exactly 12:29. I have 31 minutes to get there. Should be no problem. What the hell? You got to be kidding me. Not today. Come on. I don't know what to do now. Looks like I'm going to miss my meeting. Oh, wait a second. What's better than one BMW? Two BMWs. Aha! I'm heading on. Bye. My 7-year-old grandson came up to me the other day and asked me, "Grandpa, how come you use the name Boomer T in your videos?" So I tried to explain to him. I was born during the baby boom, back during the 50s. I tried explaining to him in terms that a 7-year-old might understand. So I just told him, well, right after World War II, there was a huge influx of babies because all the people that came back from the war were playing whoopie. Grandpa, what does making whoopie mean? I think I hear your grandma calling. Yeah, I go see what grandma needs, okay? I think I dodged a bullet there. Dictionary.com, and we're going to see what the official definition of a boomer is. Well, there you have it, folks. A person or thing that booms. By golly, fits me to a T. Boomer T. Got a couple of messages from viewers that I wanted to get to. First one is from Todd G. Todd asks, do you have anything you want to say to millennials and younger folks who blame baby boomer generation for everything bad going on in the world? Yes, I do.
You serious?
I think that pretty much says it all. Next one comes from Maria, and Maria asks, what's up with the crazy glasses, dude? Okay, hi. Nice question, Maria. I've actually had several questions regarding my colored glasses, and there is a good reason for them. So I'm going to be doing a complete episode here soon regarding my colored glasses. So stay tuned. If any of you have any questions or comments regarding my videos, hey, send me an email at realboomert@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Twitter at realboomert. Oh,
Cut!
all right, everybody
Relax, settle down. Let's do it right this time. Take 24.
I saw a headline the other day that just totally befuddled me. It was about a survey that stated 70% of all millennials that drive can't change a car tire. That blows my mind. As a boomer, I think I was changing my first bicycle tire when I was like 5. And I know I changed my first car tire when I was about 12 years old. So I figure, gosh, if you guys can play Minecraft and all these other video games, surely you can change a car tire. All it takes is a couple of simple tools and a little bit of physical effort and you're done. But you know what the weirdest thing was? They stated the biggest excuse the millennials had was, we'll just call AAA. Changing a tire is easy though. A few simple rules and a few simple tools and you got it made. Okay, we got to reach in, set the parking brake. We set something behind the wheel so the car doesn't move. Get in here and get the spare tire. And we grab the jack. Okay, we've got our trusty tools here. From here on, it's pretty simple. We jack up the car. We take the tools. We remove the lug nuts. We pull the tire off. We put the good tire on. We put the lug nuts back on. We jack the tire down. We take the old damaged tire to get repaired. Voila! Simple as that. So as you can see, all it takes is a little know-how and a couple of simple tools. Hello, AAA. Yes, I have a flat tire